Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to enable floating windows on your Redmi 15C. First things first, it is important to note that by default the Redmi 15C does not have the floating windows feature, and usually you would find it under the additional settings of your Redmi 15C and then under the special features. But as you can see, we do not have the floating window feature from over here. And so if you want to be able to use the floating windows feature, all you just have to do first and foremost is to disable the button navigation if you have it turned on your Redmi 15C. So you want to go over to the settings, scroll down to where you have the home screen settings, select that, and then under where we have navigation or system navigation, you want to select that and make sure you select on the gesture navigation. This is going to make sure that you have enough space to use the floating windows feature on your Redmi 15C. Once you've done this, the next thing you want to do is to enable developer mode. The way you do that is to go over to the settings of your Redmi 15C one more time. You want to go over to the about phone settings, then just scroll down to where we have the OS version over here. Go ahead and continuously tap on it for about 7 times until you see that no need, you are already a developer. And then once you've seen that, you want to come out of this, then scroll down until you get to the additional settings over here. Tap on additional settings, and then at the bottom you're going to see the developer options. Go ahead and select developer options, then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Just make sure you're at the bottom, and then you want to scroll up slowly until you find these features. So under apps, just like so, under apps you're going to see certain features. You want to make sure you enable it. First, you're going to see the force activities to be resizable. Make sure you toggle this on, and then also make sure you enable the enable freeform windows. Go ahead and toggle this on as well. It is going to ask you to reboot your Redmi 15C. Just go ahead and click on the reboot letter, and then once you've done this, you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Now on the search bar of the Google Play Store, you want to go ahead and search for the taskbar app. Just go ahead and search for taskbar, and over here you can literally see the application. Select it, and then make sure you download and install it from the Google Play Store into your Redmi 15C. Once it is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here so that we can set it up. Proceed to give it all of the permissions, so click on allow from over here, then make sure you click on the toggle button at the top right corner over here. Click on grant permissions, and once this list of apps opens up, you want to locate the taskbar application. So mine is literally over here. Select it, and then make sure you toggle on the allow display over other apps, and then you can go back and open up the taskbar application one more time. Now you want to try to toggle it on properly. Now just go ahead and click on OK, and then proceed to locate the taskbar application one more time. Mine is over here at the bottom. Select it, and then also make sure you toggle on the permit usage access, just like so, and then allow this countdown to finish. Once it is done, you want to click on the check button over here, then click on OK, and now you can go back and open up the taskbar application one more time. As you can see, it is now currently turned on, and as you can see from over here, this is basically where we have the taskbar application. You can see the icon at the bottom of my Redmi 15C as well. Now once this is done, the final thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate the taskbar application, long press on it, and then go over to this icon over here where we have this info icon. Select it, and then here we have the pause app activities if unused. You want to make sure you toggle this off, and just like so, we have now been able to enable the floating window on our Redmi 15C. With these floating windows enabled on your Redmi 15C, you can open up literally any application. So if you click over here, you can see all of the applications on your Redmi 15C, and you can choose to open up any of these applications as a floating window on your Redmi 15C. You can literally see my gallery application over here. If you also want to resize the window, you can as well just hold it from the bottom, and adjust it according to your need. Other customizations you can actually do is from the taskbar. So if you go over to the general settings over here, you can also change the color, the shape, and every other thing directly from here. To close it up, you can as well just reduce the size of the window, just like so, and then long press on it so that you can hold it, then fling it over to the right hand side, just like so, and it should actually close that particular window. That is basically how to enable floating windows on your Redmi 15C. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.